Hello friends, this is Lenny Hutchinson. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I'm going to talk about the negative effects of gemstones, or the negative impacts or the side effects of gemstones that come in our life once we wear it. So it has been around 3 months that I have been studying crystals and gemstones and the metaphysics or the science behind it. Now I have been studying a lot. Then I have been talking to the experts a lot, then the normal people a lot who have been wearing gemstones. Then I also have been, just being here and there and trying to understand the subject. So first of all, I asked many people about the negative effects or the negative stories they had after wearing gemstones. So according to the West, they believe that there is no such thing as a negative impact or a side effects of gemstones. They think that to wear a gemstone, you have to just take a look at it and see if you like it. So if you are, just going around and you like the stone, it means, it is connecting with you and it can have benefits on you that other stones cannot. So this is the first point of view. It varies from person to person. And you have to buy a stone that you feel connected to. Once you don't feel connected to and you buy such a stone that you don't feel connected to, it's not going to be that beneficial. Now this is one point of view. So the second point of view says that according to the West, of course, that I asked so many experts and all of them were telling me that sometimes what happens, the stone is not negative, but your vibration is not at the same level as of the stone or anywhere near it. So everything vibrates in the universe, and that is scientifically proven. So if everything vibrates, of course the stones, the crystals, and we vibrate as well. So sometimes what happens, according to them, that the stone and you are not at the same vibrational level, and due to which there is an imbalance, due to which you cannot reap the benefits of the stone because your vibrations, or you are at a lower level maybe, and the vibration, you're at the lower level and the vibration of the stone is higher. So because of that imbalance, you cannot reap the benefits. For that you need to come at the same level. So this third point of view is related to the second point of view, or the second point. So the experts, most of the experts told me, or they say that the reason that a stone has negative impact on your life, or it had negative results once you start wearing it, it had negative effects once you started wearing it, is because you are not ready to accept the gifts or the healing properties of that stone. Weird, right? Well, they say that all the stones have healing properties, and sometimes the stone has such healing properties that it is trying to help you, but subconsciously you don't need that help. For example, there was this expert who gave me this example. For example, you're wearing tiger's eye or obsidian and it provides protection, but on subconscious level you're not ready to receive that protection. Maybe someone that you love needs to go out of your life, but you're not ready to accept that. So subconsciously what happens, your mind is blocking their energy, the crystal's energy, so it doesn't help you and you remain in the state that you are. So one of the other side effects it can have is that you start getting headaches when you're around a certain crystal, or you feel sick, you get nightmares or something like that. So this fourth point of view is by the astrologers. Now the astrologers, especially Desi astrologers. Now according to the astrologers, or I will say Desi astrologers, they say that you have to wear a stone that aligns with your stars, zodiac signs or planets or whatever, according to your birth date, your time of birth, or what type of benefits are you trying to reap, something like that. And you cannot wear any stone or any crystal or anything without asking the astrologers. This is what they say. Now I don't know how much of this is true, But like they even say things like that, if you're not going to wear a gemstone that is not aligning with your stars, what's going to happen is aliens are going to come to earth and they are going to steal all your money, or maybe you, or maybe someone you love. So they say it's very important that you get an astrologer's help before wearing any gemstone. Now, this last point of view is my conclusion after listening to all of them for months. So let's talk about the holy books. So according to Bible and Holy Quran, maybe other holy books as well, I am a little uninformed, I'm sorry. So according to Holy Quran and Bible, we have heard that gemstones and crystals are a gift to mankind from the God. So somewhere in the Quran, I've also read that you're supposed to enjoy these gifts because these are the gifts to the mankind. So I think that these are just a gift to the mankind, and as long as you're alive, you should enjoy it. And as long as you look at a stone, you like it, just wear it. When you're going to wear a stone that you like, you're going to feel happy because once you looked at that stone, it looked really pretty to you. And once you wore it, you feel really pretty or beautiful or handsome because you're wearing the stone that you loved, right? So what happens is when we're happy, our vibration increases. And once our vibration increases, we are not around negative thoughts as much. We are happy, we are feeling happy about ourselves. And according to law of attraction, once we are happy, we attract lots of abundance and wealth. Just like even in holy books, we hear on and on that you should be grateful, you should be thankful. Like, it's the same thing, like, you have to be thankful, you have to be grateful, right? So once you are in that state, you attract a lot of good things. Now, this thing also brought me to one thing that one of the experts told me while I was studying or researching on this subject. Like when I asked, like, what are the negative impacts like of the stones, or do they really have some negative impacts or side effects on us, that our life is just tumbled upside down or something like that. So this is one point of view that really hit me hard. Like, that was like, who are we to decide a stone or gemstone or any natural thing is imperfect? Anything that is a creation of universe or God or whatever you believe in. Okay, so who are we to decide like it's imperfect, right? Okay, so everything in this universe vibrates. So other than that, it doesn't have any good luck or any bad luck associated to you once you wear it. You face what you are supposed to face, or what you are fated to face, or what you have, you reap what you sow, type of thing. So yeah, everything that just comes to you back is something that you already sent to the universe. And they also said that stones are just an object. They cannot have any effect on you, like apart from the vibrations. They just vibrate, and they cannot make any type of difference in your life until you are ready to make any type of difference. So these were the sayings of different people, and that is my conclusion, that wear what you like. It doesn't matter what are you wearing, and no stones have any type of bad effects. Even if they don't have any good effects, I don't know, but no bad effects. It's just us. So wear the stones that you like, regardless of thinking about the benefits or the pros and cons. It's just the way it is. Okay, I hope that this was helpful for all of you, and I will be doing such videos more and more. So do let me know what do you think about this video. Okay, bye bye.